Today we're going to make a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. Let's go. Joining me today for my how to make a whole chicken in the Instant Pot. I hope that you found this useful, and I hope that you will make your own chicken in the Instant Pot and let me know how it goes. I would love to hear your comments in the comment section below, how it went for you, and also what kind of seasonings and herbs you like to put in your recipe. I am always up for trying something new. So until next time, happy potting!